Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Arshi and in this video I'm going to tell you the procedure for foreign dentists or medical doctors to work in Germany. There is very little information about the process available on the internet, so I thought of making this video in simplified way. I researched a bit and brought this video for you. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So this video is for any foreign qualified dental or medical doctor who has completed their education minimum of 5 years in non-European country. So dentists from a non-European country must undergo 2 exams, that is Fachsprachprüfung, that is FSP, and Kenntnische Prüfung, that is KP in Germany, in order to get recognized as dentist. Step 1. German language skills. Language is a key to have a career in Germany, especially if you want to work in a clinical setting. A medical doctor must have sufficient German language skills, oral and written, in both general B2 and professionals level, that is C1 medicine. Only language certificate from reputed institutes such as Goethe, Telg, etc. is acceptable. Step 2. Certified translation, Beglaubigte Übersetzung. Certified translation of documents takes the longest time, so you should start with this. A certified translation of your study documents from English to German is required for recognition by the responsible authorities and the process of your application for the Fachsprachprüfung. In Germany, certified translation can only be carried out by certified translators appointed by regional courts. Step 3. Application for temporary, that is Berufserlaubnis, and permanent license, that is Approbation. After passing the German exam and translated and certified document, these must be submitted to responsible state authority Zahnarztkammer, where you want to practice. Every federal state has its own regulations for doctors, so choose your state wisely. Here I am listing you some documents required for application of Berufserlaubnis und Approbation, which vary state to state. Step 4. Fachsprachprüfung, FSP. FSP, that is Fachsprachprüfung, is a German technical language exam. It is a test to assess a foreign dentist's knowledge of German medical terminologies. Those who pass this exam receive a license to practice for a limited period of up to 2 years, with which one can work as a junior or assistant dentist in the respective state of the FSP approval, and then apply for your license to practice medicine. Step 5. Gleichwertigkeitsprüfung und Kenntnische Prüfung. Gleichwertigkeitsprüfung is an equivalency review. After applying for the approbation, all documents are checked by an expert and assessed whether the professional qualification complies with German standards. If the foreign dentist professional qualification is equivalent to the German qualification standards, the license to practice medicine will be assessed without a knowledge test, that is Kenntnische Prüfung. Otherwise, you will need to take a clear proficiency test, KP, which is a viva combined with practical, in which you will be assessed based on your dental knowledge. You can appear for this exam a maximum of 3 times, and it should be passed within the period of validity of your temporary license. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel, like it, and press the bell icon if you find this video useful, and keep receiving such kind of content from my channel. Thank you for watching. Namaste.